Once you've made the decision to file bankruptcy, the question then becomes which chapter to file. Most individuals file under Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. They're easily confused, so let's go over some basics. I found when people ask about bankruptcy, they're typically talking about Chapter 7. It's the most common filing because it's the quickest and easiest way to free yourself of the burden of debt. It gives you a new lease on life, so to speak. On the other hand, there's Chapter 13. Most of the time, people who file under Chapter 13 own a house or a car and don't want to lose it. In essence, Chapter 13 saves what's important to you. Also, people who file under Chapter 13 typically have other debt problems like medical bills, judgments, or credit cards which are burying them. A Chapter 13 gives them breathing room by consolidating certain debts and paying them back over the next 3 to 5 years. This places them in a position which is finally manageable. Chapter 13 is controlled by a person called a trustee. They consolidate your debts and take a look at your income and expenses and then decide what you can afford to pay each month to get caught up. Both Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 allow you to get rid of unsecured debt like credit cards, payday loans, and medical bills. Let's discuss the cost of hiring an attorney for each filing. When you hire an attorney to file a Chapter 7, the attorney's fees and associated costs are almost always paid in full up front. On the other hand, when you file a Chapter 13, typically your only upfront costs are the filing fee and the credit check and a few incidentals. Your attorney only begins to get paid after they've completed all the necessary legwork and paperwork for the court and your Chapter 13 case is approved. And then they get paid once a month from the trustee, right along with other people and companies in your repayment plan over the next 3 to 5 years. So, is a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 the right choice for you? Well, just remember, I've only given you the basics. So, hopefully it's pointed you in the right direction. Below this video, I have some additional thoughts for your review. Or simply call me at 402-659-4254. Whether it's Sunday or Wednesday, 7 a.m. or 7 p.m., it would be my privilege to discuss your hardship and help you decide the best course of action. For more information about bankruptcy, please watch the other videos on my website.